here is the Canon IC60 overall conditions. Okay, so here you see like it's a little bit like scratching or something, but it doesn't affect the outcome or the viewing lah. Okay, so first of all, here inside is the inner part, here is the battery, here is the charger, and about the charger, it got like two kind of silver stuff, so we need to use this silver stuff to match with the positive and the negative side. When we mesh it properly, try. Okay, when I mesh properly, it will light up, and we just take to charge. And when it's charged, here will like start blinking. Okay, usually you just charge like around 1 hour or 1.5 hours will do. Okay, first side first, and here is the battery compartment. About the battery, we need to put at this, facing it like that lah. Then here got the lock, so we just push it up and push it in. Then after that, it will lock it. When we want to take out the battery, we just like this. Yeah. Here is the SD card. And here. Okay. You just put accordingly. Here will show a symbol lah. So yeah, here you see if without the angle, so you just put accordingly. Then here is the on-off button. Click it. Yep. Okay. Then here like different kind of mode. This one is picture, movie, and preview. Then click to the menu. Here is the different kind of adjusting lah. But if the easier one, I would recommend you just click the center part of here. Click it. Now it's manual mode, and I would recommend you shoot it at manual because you can like adjust a lot of things. Like example, this is like to adjust brightness. If you prefer your outcome is more bright, then maybe you can go to +1. If you prefer like it's darker, then you can go to -1. And like this is normal. Okay. Then here is the color tone. You can adjust by yourself. Just now it's auto. Click to here for warmer, cooler, like that. Okay. And here is the effect lah. Okay. Like during neutral, when shooting like people's skin, it will be whitening a bit. Then if you off it, it will still nice, just it will be more reddish. You can see the difference between neutral and the effect off, which is the normal one. Okay, here you no need to check about it, and here is the fineness of the outcome lah. Super fine will be you can take lesser photo. Fine, you can take more. Yeah. Then this is the side also. Okay. Okay. After that, we adjust it. Then we can start shooting. Here is the flash setting. Now it's off, slow, auto. If you want on, yeah, you just put it at on. Then when you want to shoot, just like half press it. Okay, it focus. Then we just click it. Then you come up. Okay. And you can also adjust the display. Click the display button. It will be dark because some people they will use the viewfinder to shoot. They don't want to let others people see what they have to. Click again, you come out. Wow, it's more clean, and I prefer like this lah, so I can know the setting all at here. Okay, and here's a timer and the continuous shooting. Up button is the ISO. Then I think you can set it auto will do. Auto means that nothing at here. Okay, and here is the zoom button. You just like zoom in, zoom up. Okay, then when we want to see the outcome, slide down to here. Okay, yeah. And this is some photo took by last time. Okay, and when you want to delete all the photo, then you need to go to the menu. Oops, sorry, not here. Go to here. I would prefer you delete using the format instead of delete one by one, because if you delete one by one, it might harm the SD card. So you just click this and click OK, will be okay. And let me show you how to read it. Okay, So when we want to take the photo come out, we need to like take out the SD card and use the card reader. Wait a moment. Okay, so the card reader is like this, and here got a symbol, so we just put accordingly, and we just attach to our phone. Then we can go to the photo part, the album, or the file there to see the outcome. After we import it, then we just plug out, will do. And here is the overall function. When you didn't use it, then you just put it back, yeah, like that. And hope you enjoyed.